The Manzini Magistrate's Court is today expected to deliver judgment in South Africa's application for the extradition of two siblings. Siyabonga and Malusi Ndimande are wanted here at home for the murder of Kiernan AKA Forbes and his friend Tebello TIBZ Motsoane. During their previous appearance, the siblings told the court through their lawyer that their lives could be at risk if they were extradited. Let's get you a sense of what else we know. Nhlanhla Jele is part of our team watching developments and joins us now live from court in eSwatini. And part of the argument from the defense in Nhlanhla is that they were uncomfortable about how safe their clients would be if they were to be in South Africa.
Good morning to you, Ayanda, and to the viewers at home. Indeed, this is what the defense attorney kept on saying in court 2 weeks ago when he made submissions on the extradition application. Remember, they tried to ask for a postponement on this matter, saying they want oral arguments to be heard by the court just to testify on behalf of the brothers in terms of their safety. Also, what they told the court is that their mother also received threats. Remember, they say that 12 family members in KZN have been killed due to the taxi violence that is taking place in KZN. So they fear for their lives and that they are not comfortable with how the National Director of Public Prosecutions is formulating this issue of the safety of their clients. However, the State Prosecutor Siyabonga came up and told the court that, of course, they've contacted legal institutions to ensure the safety of the two brothers. We understand that this was mentioned also in the formal extradition application that was sent by the National Director of Public Prosecutions to say, as soon as the whole matter is finalized, the boys are going to be safely transported back into South Africa, so that they can face the charges that they are wanted for. But as I mentioned before, the issue of their safety has been a concern from the get-go. If you remember correctly, Ayanda, all the times that we've had postponements in this court was due to that reason, saying the defense saying that they're not comfortable with how the matter of the safety of the two brothers is going to be dealt with or how it's being treated, especially as soon as the formal extradition application was received. If you remember, when this court started in March, we only had a provisional extradition application, so we had to wait for a formal extradition application, which of course later came in Ayanda. And as soon as it came Ayanda, of course these issues were tabled out as to how they're going to be handled. However, the defense still feels they are not comfortable with how it's going to be dealt with. But obviously we're going to hear from the magistrate from any time now what's going to happen with the two brothers. Are they being extradited, or does he feel they can still remain? But just to remind the viewers at home, Ayanda, when Siyabonga took to when he made submissions 2 weeks ago, that's the state prosecutor, he did say that there is no reason to keep the two brothers in eSwatini because they are not wanted for anything in the country. However, there is evidence, according to the National Director of Public Prosecutions in South Africa, that there are charges against them and they have evidence to strongly convict the two brothers of what they are wanted for in South Africa. But as I said, Ayanda, we're going to hear what's going to happen in this court this morning. Judgment is, of course, expected to be handed down.